In this problem, we are given a flash drum with a feed of equimolal benzene, toluene, and p-xylene. And it is to pass a heater and entering a flash drum of operating temperature of 423 Kelvin and with an unknown operating pressure given the percent recovery of p-xylene, which is 75%, and we are required to get the operating pressure of the flash drum and the concentration of the distillates. And the split ratio of the toluene. So, how did I answer the problem on the quiz? I assumed pressure and I found it hard to solve that. So now I assumed the fraction of D over F. Now, using the DIPPR given on Paris, I got the vapor pressures of the individual compounds, benzene, toluene, and xylene, and I have those constants. Now, what I did is I got the individual KIs. How did I get the total pressure? Total pressure, I assumed the total XLI to be equal to 1. This will be equal to 1. Then I got the individual vapor pressures of each, which I assigned as F, Y, and M. Then I got the total pressure. So where will I use this total pressure to get the KI? To get KI here. Next would be getting individual XLIs using the formula of XLI is equal to XFI over 1 plus F times KI minus 1. So the total of XLI will be equal to 1 since we assumed that all the XLIs are equal to 1. Now we have to get the individual concentration of the distillates by multiplying XLI times KI. And multiplying KI and XLI, we will get the individual concentration of the distillates. We have to ensure that the total of the concentration of the distillates would be equal to 1, which in here we got 1.001, which is not equal to 1. Now we have to assume another value of F for us to get a total value of the XDI to be equal. XDI must be equal to 1. Now I have assumed that F is equal to 42. Now same process. I got the KI 2.02 189, 0.95767, 0.47596, and the individual XLIs, and I multiplied KI and XLI to get YVI or XDI. Then here I got 0.993. So I have to interpolate to get the nearest value nearest to 1, which I got 0.4187, which is still the total of the XVI is not equal to 1. So to make it short, I found this value 0.4129. Then I got the total concentration of the distillates, which is here. I got 1. And the total pressure, operating pressure, is 287,277.0734 Pascal. Now converting this to kilopascal would be 287.2770734 kilopascal. Now the F is equal to 0.4129 or 41.29%. Now we got the ratio of the distillates and the feed. Now I use a basis of 100 moles to get the value of the distillate, total distillates, which is equal to 41.29. Here, going back, I got the concentration of the XDIs already, which I will rewrite as XDB is equal to 0.4735, XDT is equal to 0.3244, and XDX is equal to 0.2021. Next up would be the percent recovery of the benzene, which is equal to the total distillates, which is 41.29, times the concentration of benzene that we got is 4735 over the total concentration, total distillates times 100. We can cancel this and we can get 47.35% recovery of the benzene. Next would be split ratio of toluene, which is the desired over the least desired, or rather the split ratio, which is equal to dx dt over lx lt. D is 41.29 and L is, from the material balance, is 58.71. So multiplying dx dt here over lx lt, we can get 0.6718 times 100, and here is the split ratio of the toluene is equal to 67.18%. Thank you for listening, and God bless.